In this tutorial, I will show how to create 3D pop-out effect in Photoshop. Let's start the video. Start by using the Magic Wand tool. Select the phone inner area. Press Ctrl+J for make copy. Now go to File and select Place Embedded. Select and place the image. Now decrease the opacity. Select the size and position of image like this. Go to the image layer and create clipping mask. Now press Ctrl+J for duplicate the layer. Select subject and add layer mask. "3D pop-out effect is ready. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.